Well, wait, does she not have a nose?
It doesn't look like it in this photo.
Get it real close. No, she does have a nose.
I would hope so.
Very faintly. No, she looks like a Bratz doll.
Ooh, the dream.
I mean, I've seen comments of people being like, oh my god, did you get a nose job? No. This? We don't look the same. Also, you think I have money for that? I can't even afford groceries, never mind a nose job. Are you kidding?
Oh, and that's the
Starving to death.
I'm like, it's rent or a nose job.
I made an executive decision.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's Justin Jedlicka and that other person.
Yeah.
I don't know who she is.
Yes.
Oh my god, the botched king and queen.
So true.
I'm pretty sure they've both been on botched. I know Justin has. But.
Yeah, it's just like, it's not even botched. Like, I mean, like, look at him. His plastic surgery, like, looks fine. It's just a lot.
Yes, I think he said that he's had like hundreds of surgeries. I think he said he's almost at like 1,000 or something.
Whoa,
I'm like, what else are you tweaking?
There's so many things you can get done though, like it's crazy.
I know, but I feel like at some point, like no matter what you do, you kind of reached a point where you can't change anything else, right?
You would think. But people are out here getting their like eyes reshaped and stuff, you know?
Yes, that's true.
Which like, I don't have the bravery for that.
Absolutely not. Or the funds.
Yeah, the bravery or the money.
Oh, well this is just a little bit of Facetune, that's it.
Yeah, that's just regular. I'm like, welcome to social media.
Yeah, and it's not even like a huge thing. It's literally just like
The smallest.
the end of like her hair, just
Yeah. Selena really is not out here being fake.
No, she's really not. She's one of the most genuine people, like celebrities out there.
Honestly, I would agree with that.
Yeah, so like if people are really coming for her for like the slightest little tweak,
Yeah.
like guys.
I'm like, we have so many other people to talk about first.
Kim Kardashian, hi.
Also, like, people edit their photos. I don't know. That's just the way it goes.
Yeah, you just want to look your best on social media. Is that really a crime?
Exactly.
Don't come for me.
I mean, like, don't come for us for being like, people edit. Like, I totally understand why people don't like editing, but it's also like, I'm not gonna come for any of these people. I don't care. They can look as fake as they want. Whatever.
That is on you, baby. If you want to look like that, go ahead.
Like,
Nobody's
live your
gonna
best
stop you.
life. I don't, what am I looking at?
Yeah,
Oh,
you
this
look
guy
like you know
edited
that.
his eyes.
Oh?
Hey, I understand. People want those baby blues.
Oh, honestly, I didn't even
I don't know what to say. That's my assumption because they
Yeah,
if
they
you go
do.
in close.
Yeah, now that.
The blue is in
back
front of the glasses.
But at the same time, I do know people who have eyes that blue. I mean, if you want to look like that, go ahead. But like, if his eyes are like naturally brown or something, and you posted that, everybody's gonna be like,
What the heck? But maybe he got contacts. He didn't, obviously.
yeah.
but Maybe he did, or he just wanted to brighten them up. Mad
Yeah.
respect. I get it. Neither of my parents have blue eyes.
Then how the heck did you end up with conspiracy?
Okay, so this person, well, that looks like just somebody who's really good at makeup.
Yeah, that looks like a music video glam.
Yeah.
Like they're either really really good at makeup or they got a makeup artist and like
And a wig.
yeah.
Also, whoever this is, this kind of looks like a mugshot, so
I
I'm a
was
little
gonna
bit
say
like,
the same thing.
I don't know what they did, but like if they didn't do anything bad and that's not a mugshot, I just want to say that like they look beautiful on either side.
Shot then like props to you because you look gorgeous either way.
Right? I hope she didn't do anything bad. I'm nervous now.
God.
Because that does look
Plot
like a
twist, she
mugshot.
murdered 3 people.
I'm like, oh my god, I just called a murderer beautiful.
But like, it's not a lie.
Yeah, facts are facts.
Oh, the shift, the filter shift when her hair went in front of her face.
Oh yeah, and you can see, but like, people use filters.
Yeah, it's a common thing.
At least it's not the one, remember when everyone used to use that Snapchat one with the dog that had the tongue come out?
Yeah.
Thank God we've moved past that.
It was the dog filter and like that generic flower crown one.
Yes! Oh my
OGs.
God. Oh, is that you, Mrs. Incredible?
Oh my gosh, she's looking like a Pixar mom.
Yeah, literally.
Dummy thick for days.
Seriously.
She just makes my back hurt just like looking at her because I feel like if you are really that thin like this, like your spine's just gonna go.
Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't want that.
No.
But cute fit, nice hair, good editing. Well, I wouldn't say good editing.
I mean, we
but
spotted that edit so quickly, so maybe it wasn't the best.
an edit.
Yes, you did it.
Right, she tagged the hairstylist who posted the
Pre-Facetune version. Oh. Oof. Exposed.
I'm kind of like, she looks almost exactly the same.
Yeah.
One just clearly is like posed with a filter on it.
Yeah, but like the second photo, her nose is like very narrow. But either way, like the pre-Facetune one, she looks gorgeous.
Yeah.
So I don't really see, like she just looks like a Barbie doll in the second one.
Exactly. I'm like, we know that the second one is not real.
Nobody looks like that.
Literally no one.
Unless you're a Fashion Nova model or something, because apparently they all look like that.
I don't know, I'm not well versed in Fashion Nova.
I don't know, I just see them on my Instagram feed. I'm like, I wish I looked like you.
Oh, who are these
I'm
people?
terrified.
Who are they?
They look like who's?
They kind of do look like who's.
If that's plastic surgery?
For sure. What plastic surgery do you think they've had? I think there was a chin situation.
Perhaps. Maybe. I don't, oh God.
Do you think that's all real hair?
Oh, definitely not. Those are hair plugs for sure.
It's gotta be, right?
I mean, the person on the right, like their hairline is so far down in the front.
True, no one has a hairline that fierce.
No.
Not even me.
Yeah, here we're 5 heads.
I'm like, don't look at my big head.
No, you pull your hair back one too many times in a ponytail and it's just zzz. Oh, Donatella Versace.
Yeah,
Oh my goodness.
yeah.
She's had so many things done.
She has.
The amount of top 10 lists that I've done about her face alone.
Right? It's just like tough, and then that's like the risk with plastic surgery is that like sometimes it goes awry and then you try to fix it and
then
it just
gets worse.
yeah. And people get addicted to it too because
Yeah.
it doesn't always have the effect that you think it's gonna have,
And then
and
they
like
just
you
keep
try
going
and
to fix
fix
it.
it. It's crazy.
And that's a lot of money too. I mean, she's a Versace, so like she's got buckets of money, but
Yeah, she'll be good.
yeah, she's not struggling, but first of all, the lighting in the first one, you gotta turn down that ring light a little bit.
I'm like, I can't even see this person's face.
I know. Like it's just eyes and the side of their nose.
Literally.
But like the eyes are looking fierce, eyebrows on fleek.
Smize.
Smize,
For
yes.
sure.
Tyra Banks taught you well. Somebody watched America's Next Top Model.
Didn't we all?
Yes. I mean the questionable things that happen on that show.
Oh,
We don't gotta talk about that one.
mad sketchy.
Let's not think about that one too hard.
Oh,
my
no.
God.
Chris, where did they find this unedited photo of you? Man,
Oh my god.
I'm like worried. That looks painful.
It does. It looks like his biceps literally got to detach from his arm.
Also, like look at his belly. Like that looks normal.
Yes.
So he's clearly like in shape.
But what happened to the rest of it?
But I'm just like
This is stressful.
when I see a guy with like walking around like this, I'm only gonna think of this now and go, it could be scary. I'm just worried about his health. That's
Right.
all. Want this man to be happy and healthy.
I refuse to believe that those are real muscles. Those have to be like implants or something.
They are, for sure.
Yeah.
Actually, it says Brazilian bodybuilder injects oil into muscles.
Oil?
Injects oil?
What kind of oil are you putting in yourself?
Sir, you are
Extra
shiny
virgin olive oil.
enough. You are so shiny already.
Oil?
I have so many questions.
But how does oil do that?
I didn't know
I'm
this
so
was...
confused. I have so many questions. I need to sit down with him for an interview.
Because
I need
it's
to-
not supposed to go in. Oh, her eyes are closed. I was like, that's wild. But she just did, this is a makeup person
Yeah.
who did their eyes on their eyes, I think.
I don't know. I don't know.
Because like,
Let's go real close. We gotta really. That just looks like they copy pasted somebody's eyes and just put them in. Just
I think that's, yeah, I think it's makeup, eyes closed.
I don't know. I feel like they're looking into my soul.
Yeah, maybe they
Oh,
are.
Like they follow you. And you move. Like one of those creepy paintings. Top 10 creepy paintings you should never look at.
Guys, that's all the pics we have to look at today. We just stood here wearing headphones for absolutely no reason.
Yeah. Who needs these?
So we gotta go and think about our life choices now. I've been one of your hosts today, Olivia Kosolowski.
And I've been your other host, Bree Room.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
I went to sleep at 8:30 p.m. last night.
Is this just a picture?
What are we looking at?
What even is this video?
That's a great question. Listen, not everyone can have blue eyes.
No, I mean, I have blue contacts.
See? Boom. And we're not gonna roast you.
No. I wore
Because-
them in a video once and nobody said anything.
Really?
For Halloween, yeah.
Oh, maybe it's because it was Halloween. They were like, it's part
Maybe.
of the.
I don't know.
But I was like, I feel like I would have been surprised to see you with blue eyes.
They were subtle, it's fine.
That's kind of cool though.